Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share my another techniques. Kung Fu harness on this level. Step 1, level 1, to student. How to use Kung Fu long stick on harness. Make sure take a balance and lock your finger like this. And finger to be like this on harness. This is to all student, beginners, especially to all ROTC criminologists. Step 1, level 1. No? I remember this technique when I was in elementary. Sige, no? Natuturuan ako ng aking lolo nito. Sige, no? I'm always late in my school dahil dito sa technique na to. Sige, no? Magdandahan lang po sa paggaya nito. Sige, no? Make sure this is to all beginners. Sige guys, no? Sige guys, no? Either left hander or right, it's okay. Kung saan ka komportable. Guys, no? Either left hander or right, walang problem. Sige guys, no? Guys, no? Magdandahan po sa paggayin nito. Yes, guys, no? Simple stick, guys. To avoid accident, magdandahan lang po muna. In the first technique. Pantay siya at nakaganyan yung harness mo. Make sure, guys, na pag sa twist mo, ang pag-twist mo, guys, is nakalock yung nilalaki mo. Yes, guys, no? Within balancing. Nakalock, then twist. No? Mga terminologies natin, I know, hindi na ituro sa inyo ito. Sige, no? Dandahan lamang. Umpisa. Then, kick. Yes, no? Sa mga ROTC. Sige, no? Yung kung hindi naituro ko sa inyo, guys, sa mahal natin mga estudyante. Sige, no? Sige, no? Gandahan na po lamang. Sige, no? Pag-ikot. Make sure, guys, na yung kamay mo ay naisayo mo sa pag-twist. Sige, no? Then, back. Yes, no? Yes, guys. And please be careful to use and handle this. Yes, guys. no? Again. Make sure it's a balance. Then the harness, if they're left or right, it's okay. Make a balance. The long stick. Sige, no? Lock. Lock mo siya yung pinalaki mo. Twist. Okay? Ganito guys. Again. Step. Nice guys. It's too hot right now. If my cellphone is overheat, namatay na guys, hanggang doon na lamang. Guys, no? Guys, no? So guys, and turn back. So guys, no? Yan. So guys, then this is step 1, level 1. Guys, no? Guys, no? I-belt na yung cellphone natin.